Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my 38-week update, and I'm going to try to make this really fast because I kind of have a lot of information to share and my phone is kind of low on storage. So I'm going to try to do this before it cuts off. So after my 38-week appointment, I am 2 centimeters now. I am measuring at 38 inches. Perfect. I'm still weighing 191 pounds. So in a week, I just stayed solid. I didn't gain or lose. I'm having Braxton Hicks. I have started to wash, I feel like a bird just fell off the top of my building. But I have started to wash the baby's clothes to prepare for his arrival. I wash all clothes, whether they are brand new or not. So I still wash pretty much everything. And I have cleaned out my closet and got it somewhat organized. It's not completely done yet, but it's looking way better than it was before, and it's definitely making room for him. For my baby shower, I guess I had a diaper fund set up on my baby shower registry, my Amazon registry. So I got $400, y'all. $400 in the diaper fund. So I did go on and redeem some of the money for 2 cases of Honest diapers in size newborn. And once I get close to the end of those, probably he won't even be a newborn anymore. So I will start ordering the size ones. So my cough is minimizing a little bit, and I'm getting a little nervous as we're getting closer to the time. I mean, 38 weeks is really an any day thing because it can come 2 weeks before. Well, he can come 2 weeks before your due date or 2 weeks after your due date. So at this point, it's kind of like an any day thing. 38 weeks, he can breathe on his own. So if he chose to come at 38 weeks, he would be just fine. However, I still don't have a solid birth plan. So that makes me nervous because I'm the type of person that likes to be like in control of my situation. And if I feel like I'm not really sure on something and it's something important, that kind of gives me a little bit of anxiety. So it's a little nerve-wracking, but I'm just trying to really think it through daily and just kind of figure out what I want to do. You know, like I said, one of my neighbors did agree to possibly pick me up from the hospital, but he works night shift, so it just kind of depends on what time I would be getting out of the hospital. And then I had another neighbor who randomly just came to me and offered to, you know, assist or help out with me in any way possible once I actually went into labor. So I'm definitely going to keep all options open when it comes to that. But I would prefer somebody to go with me that I really know, because I really don't have a bond with my neighbor. I barely even see her, but it's just nice that she did offer. So with something being so sentimental, so intimate, I would definitely want the company of somebody there that I am like really familiar with. But who knows? Once the party gets started, I'm just going to go with the flow and just do what feels right or what's necessary at the time. Also, my daughter is going to be starting a new job soon. So my brother also agreed to come and pick up the kids from me if I went into labor and she wasn't home. So with that being said, guys, I think you know, just trying to get myself wrapped up and closer to the time. I haven't really had many cravings at all this week. I just kind of eating the same things that I was like prior. I kind of rotate. Some weeks it's tacos, some weeks it's spaghetti, some weeks it's burgers. It just kind of, it's always the same thing mostly, but it just kind of rotates each week depending on what I, you know, really have a taste for. So I think that's pretty much it for my 38-week update, guys. I will see you guys hopefully in a 39-week video and a 40-week video, but you know, we shall see. So thank you guys for watching. If you are not already subscribed, please do so. And if you are, thank you for coming back and always supporting me and my content. See you in the next video. Bye.